647 job applications. That's how many roles Caitlin, a university graduate, applied to before landing a single offer. She's not alone. Another graduate applied to over 100 jobs on LinkedIn alone. No interviews, no callbacks, nothing. Here's a number that should terrify every parent, student, and educator. Gen Z graduates are now more likely to be unemployed than high school dropouts. For the first time in history, a college degree is becoming a liability, not an asset. The unemployment rate for recent grads? 6.6%, nearly double the national average. In China, it's 17%. But here's the kicker. While graduates drown in rejection emails, companies are posting fake jobs. 60% admit to advertising positions they never intend to fill. Meanwhile, AI is devouring entry-level roles faster than universities can print diplomas. 20 years ago, the life equation was simple. School plus university plus degree equals job. It was as reliable as gravity. Your parents lived it, your guidance counselors preached it, society guaranteed it. Today, that equation is broken beyond repair. Meet the class of 2025, the most educated, most indebted, and most unemployed generation in modern history. They followed the rules, took on $37,000 in average student debt, spent 4 years earning degrees, graduated into nothing. The numbers don't lie. 5.3% unemployment for recent grads versus 4.2% national average. First time ever, grad unemployment exceeds general unemployment. 55% of graduates considered unemployable by hiring managers. MBA graduates from Stanford and Wharton still searching for their place. Computer science grads watching as AI takes over. Liberal arts grads wondering what jobs are out there for us. Andrew Cole, AI has ruined my life. Narrator VO. That's Andrew Cole, and his story is your future. Andrew was a YouTube scriptwriter. His scripts got millions of views. Then his boss fired him and used AI to clone his writing style. The channel still gets millions of views. Andrew gets nothing. He tried publishing books on Amazon. AI gurus flooded the market with keyword-generated books.
Andrew Cole. I've been running for 3 years from AI devaluing every skill I learn. I can't escape.
Narrator. The AI job massacre. Goldman Sachs. AI will eliminate 300 million jobs. 55% of companies regret replacing workers with AI, but they're not hiring back. Anthropic CEO. 50% of entry-level white-collar jobs gone in 5 years.
Jensen Huang. Everybody should learn how to program? It's almost exactly the opposite. Our job is to create computing technology such that nobody has to program. Everybody in the world is now a programmer.
When companies get nervous, they stop hiring. When trade wars loom, they freeze completely. Harvard economist David Deming explains, young workers are investments. In uncertain times, investments are the first thing businesses cut. The hiring ice age. Job postings down 47% year over year. Companies in low hiring, low firing mode. Entry-level positions, first to disappear. But here's the twist. It's not about saving money. Entry-level workers are cheaper than experienced ones. LinkedIn's chief economist reveals the truth. Entry-level workers take time to train. In uncertain markets, that's time companies don't have. Picture this. You spend hours perfecting your resume, crafting the perfect cover letter. You apply, you wait, nothing. Here's why. The job was never real. The ghost job scam. 60% of companies post fake jobs to boost morale. 62% do it to make current employees feel replaceable. Others collect candidate data for future use. Some already filled internally but post anyway. One software engineer applied to 500 jobs. Got 20 interviews. Discovered 15 were ghost postings. The other 5? We decided not to fill the position. Here's the ultimate irony. Students use AI to get degrees. They need degrees to get jobs. Jobs that AI will eliminate. The worthless degree phenomenon. Only 22% of Americans say college is worth the cost. University wage premium, shrinking in US, UK, Canada. Roy Lee got expelled from Columbia for creating an AI tool that could pass exams. His response? Started a company, raised millions, on track for $2 million revenue. The lesson? The rule breakers are winning while rule followers suffer. In China, fake companies now exist where unemployed graduates pretend to work, complete with bogus business certificates to show their parents. Remember the Great Resignation? When everyone quit for better jobs? That's dead. The new reality. Remote jobs, only 20% of listings, get 60% of applications. Job switchers in 2023, 7.7% raise. Job switchers in 2025, 0.2% raise. Message, stay put or starve. The workforce has returned to baby boomer loyalty, not by choice, but by fear.
Be a plumber. It's going to be a long time before AI is as good at physical manipulation.
So what can graduates do? AI-proof careers, healthcare, skilled trades, physical engineering, human services, emergency services, AI-vulnerable careers, writing, basic coding, accounting, legal research, graphic design, translation. The new strategies, trade school revolution, 2-year programs versus 4-year degrees, immediate employment, $50 100K salaries, zero AI competition, entrepreneurship explosion, Gen Z starting businesses at record rates, one person plus AI equals entire company, lower barriers than ever, control your destiny. For every business owner and enthusiast watching, the Gen Z crisis teaches us 5 critical lessons. Adapt or die. Skills expire faster than milk. Traditional paths are death traps. Physical plus digital equals future. The network is everything. In a world of ghost jobs and AI screening, who you know matters more than ever. The hard truth, we're witnessing the death of the industrial education model. Caitlin with her 647 applications isn't failing. The system failed her. The degree that cost her $40,000 in 4 years is worth less than a plumbing certification that takes 6 months. The choice. You can rage against this reality or adapt. Every technological revolution creates chaos. The printing press killed scribes, the internet killed newspapers. AI is killing entry-level knowledge work. But after chaos comes opportunity. For Gen Z graduates drowning in rejections, remember this. You're not the first generation to face existential career crisis. You won't be the last. But you might be the first to build something entirely new from the ashes. The old path is dead. Time to forge a new one. Your move, class of 2025.